What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video, I will teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Lalisa. Alright, so this is my original choreography. So yeah, let's start. Alright everybody, let's start. So for this one, we start, the count is quite fast, but the choreography also in the middle. So let's try. So it goes like this. Yeah, what's the first step? Okay, I forgot. So we're gonna kick your right foot up. 1 and 2. 1, 2, this is 3, 4. Close on 4, remember close on 4, only 2. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna go kick your right. 5, drop, 6. Okay, this is close at 7, 8. This is 1 step on 2. Okay, that's the count. So sometimes you mess up this one if you do it fast. So 7, 8, 1, 2. Slow. Bum. 1, 2. Yes, that's it. Let's try it. Slowly. 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yes. Let's continue. So 8, 1, 2. You gotta go step to the front. This is 3 and a 4. Sorry, 4. Go open palm. 5. This is quicker. 6. This is double count. 7, 8. One more time. So this is 7, 8, 1, 2. Step 3, 4, 5, 6. Your knee is in. 6, 7, 8. 2 counts. Let's combine from the top. So 5, 6, 7, up. Cross down, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Next. So from here, you're gonna go open your legs. 7, 8, 1, 2. 2 counts, guys. So 7, 8, you're gonna go 1, 2. This is fast. 3 and 4. You got that one? So 1, 2, and 3, 4. You're gonna kick, push, use your left, push your knee. 3 and 4. Okay? Count 5, 6, sorry. 5, 6, they correct me. 6, 7. I like that. So, 7, what's the last step? 1, 2, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this one, you're gonna go rotate 7, 8. Then you open to your right. 7, 8. This is 1, 2. You're gonna go to 3. Back on 4. Make sure you hit on 3. You close back. You go back on 4. One more time. From here. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Yoke. And 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. So this time you need 4 counts. Actually 3 only. 8. 1, 2. Close on 3. Clap on 4. One more time. So this is 2, 2, 7. 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go up on 5, 6, quick shoulder, 7 and 8. So this one is separate. Up 7 and 8. Let's try first from the beginning until here. Super slow growth, okay? So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That part is a little bit fast. You will see later in the music. I will make it slower. So from here, 7 and 8. Okay, next. So from here you're gonna jump 1, in 2, 3, 4. So when you go to your left, this one go here, like that. So 7, 8, open on 1, in 2, 3, open 4. This is 2 count, this is 5, 6. Just like you're going back. 5, 6. Go 7 and 8. Let's clear that one. 7 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Almost. I think 2 more 8. Is it? So 7, 8. This is 2 counts. 3, 4 counts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you gotta go back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the last 8, you simply walk, push 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up on 5, 6, and 7, 8. Then finish. Yes! Good job. Now let's try first the last 2 8. So from here, 1, continuously 3 8. Sorry, 7 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 2 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and leave 5, 6. Last 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, finish. Good job. It's full. Now let's try everything from the beginning. So 5, 6 from the top. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, close. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 2 counts. 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah! Enjoyed that choreography, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.